Best 3 exercises for better liver health. The first is brisk walking or jogging. Walking for at least 30 minutes a day improves blood circulation, burns excess fat, and helps reduce fatty deposits around the liver. A consistent walking routine can lower the risk of fatty liver disease. The second exercise is yoga, especially twisting poses. Yoga poses like Ardha Matsyendrasana, seated spinal twist, or gentle stretches improve digestion, stimulate liver function, and promote detoxification. Twisting postures help massage the abdominal organs, including your liver. The last exercise is strength training. Simple bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, or lightweight training not only build muscle, but also improve insulin sensitivity and metabolism. This reduces liver fat and supports better overall liver function.